Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A83 and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So we will need to first pull up our toggles, and you can do so by swiping upwards from the bottom corner. There we go. And on one of the pages we should have our power saving mode, so we can just swipe to the left right here. And you can see here we have our power saving mode. So it's a battery with a plus inside. Just click on it, it lowers down the brightness by default, makes it a little bit harder to see. And there's a couple other things in the background which aren't mentioned whatsoever. So if something starts working weirdly for you when you enable power saving mode, that typically doesn't happen. Just know that this is most likely the power saving mode. And once you're done with it, you can just tap on the toggle once again to obviously turn it off. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.